Hello, and welcome back to Travel with Us for Life. This week, we take you with us on a really cool adventure swimming with whale sharks in Isla Mujeres, Mexico. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Recently, one of my uncles, Orlando, went on a trip to swim with whale sharks, and I've wanted to try ever since. At the time we were in Mexico, which happens to be one of the best places in the world to experience that. It turns out every summer hundreds of whale sharks from all around the world meet around the Yucatan Peninsula to breed. We spent our first month in Mexico in Playa del Carmen, a really cool city. We did some research and we learned that the best place to go swim with the whale sharks was Isla Mujeres, a small little island about an hour and a half from Playa del Carmen, but first we needed to get to Cancun. Alright, so we're on our way to Cancun now from Playa del Carmen. Alright, so we made it to Cancun. We're now walking to Puerto Juarez to catch the ferry to Isla Mujeres. From Cancun, you can get the ferry to Isla Mujeres for $19 and it only takes about 30 minutes. Unlike Cancun and Playa del Carmen, which are huge, busy cities, Isla Mujeres has the feel of a little town. Matter of fact, you can actually walk from side to side of the island in about 30 minutes. Alright, so we made it to Isla Mujeres. Check out this view. Crazy view. Beautiful. We're gonna walk around and see if we can find a place to stay tonight. We ended up renting a small studio room with a nice little balcony for $40 for the night. And after dropping off our stuff, we made it to the local docks trying to find a good deal on a whale shark trip. A lot of the travel agencies on the main strip will sell you the activity for $170 per person, but after talking directly with some of the boat captains and negotiating a little, we actually got it for $75 each. Really good deal. Everyone we met at Isla Mujeres was super nice, and some of the locals that we met that day recommended us a good fish restaurant named Pico's, and we decided to check it out that night. I gotta tell you, the food was amazing. The fish was super fresh, the scenery amazing, and we had a really good time. All in all, $27 for a meal, not bad. This was kind of funny. On the way back to the apartment, we ran into a huge parade promoting one of the candidates in the upcoming elections. Super loud. It took us about 20 minutes to cross the street. The next morning, we met up with the captain at 7 a.m., ready to start the adventure. Yes, we're going to see the whale sharks now. Hopefully more than one. It took about an hour and a half to get to the whale sharks breeding area, and another 30 minutes or so to spot the first one. It was well worth it. There were a few different boats in the area, and the captains took turns dropping people off 2 at a time in the water. Yo, you ready? Alright, we're ready for this. Jump in with the whale sharks. Ready? 1, 2, and go! throughout the morning, we got to jump in the water multiple times, and overall, I would say we'll probably spend about half an hour actually swimming with the whale sharks. What an amazing experience. I didn't know this, but whale sharks are actually not whales, they're actually sharks, and considered to be the biggest fish in the ocean. They can actually reach 40 feet, 12 meters in length, and weigh about 20 tons. The ones we saw were all about 20-25 feet long. They have huge mouths, 5 feet wide, 1.5 meters, and have rows with 300 teeth in them. Now, luckily, they're not predatory animals. Instead, they feed by filtering plankton and shrimp out of the water. But I gotta tell you, knowing this doesn't make you feel any better when you're right next to a mouth that's big enough to swallow you whole. We spent 3 months in Mexico and visited a lot of really cool places, but by far, this was the best experience. Best trip ever. You have to do it at least once in your life. Yeah. Really cool. And remember, if you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you get more awesome videos like this one.